Hey guys, we got a Skybox by Maytag here, and the compressor has stopped working on it, and so I was trying to do some research to see if maybe there was a way to fix it, or if I just needed to sell it as parts, or maybe just go ahead and throw it away. And after doing the research, kind of found a solution that I think is going to work. And so if you've got yours and you haven't taken it apart yet, you have this cap, goes over there. This relay right here is connected here. You're going to pull that loose. Once you get it pulled loose, you're going to see these 3 pins on the back of the compressor. And then you're going to get on Amazon, hopefully before you pull all this loose, and you're going to buy you one of these Supco 3-in-1 starts, and you want to get the RCO 810, and that's going to cover a 1/12, 1/10, 1/8, 1/6, or 1/5 horsepower, and that's all you need for this little small compressor. And once you get it, you're going to see that there is a diagram here. I'm having trouble in this garage light of how it connects together. So your white goes to your start pin, the black in the center goes to your common, and then the red goes to your right run pin. And so this is the 3-in-1 here. Also has a diagram for you there. So you can take these 3 wires that are on this side, black, white, red. They're going to connect just like that. And then it's going to leave you with these 2 power wires. And so once I pulled this loose, I got to looking at this and I'm like, man, I don't even know where my power wires are, or if I'm supposed to splice these together or what. And so that's kind of when I started looking for more information and thought I would create this video. And so in reality, this relay that's attached to this blue and brown wire, you don't need that. That's going to go away. This black cap is going to go away, and you're left with that gray wire and that white wire. You're going to snip the ends off of that, strip the ends, and then they're basically going to wire tie to these 2 wires here, and then you plug it in and you should be good to go. So we're going to do that, and then I'll be right back and we'll see if it works. Okay guys, we're back. We were able to tie in the gray and the white wire and strip them off and just wire nut them in. The other 3 go in just as the package tells you to install it. Here's your 3-in-1 capacitor, and I just set these that originally went to the relay off to the side, because now the relay is combined in this. And compressor started right up. It's running really well already and cooling. And so you can hear it run. And I was actually going to throw this thing away, or maybe part it out, and I was able to fix it with a $20 part. Give it a shot. Hope this helps.